This is the double reflective roll that you basically put inside of the windows for the RV. But what I'm doing is I'm actually taking, this is polyester cotton fabric, which is black, and it's going to end up giving more of a professional look on the outside. So when you walk up to the exterior of your RV, it's going to make it look like the windows are actually tinted. At the same time, you're actually conserving on the heat that's bouncing against the windows to make it a little bit cooler indoors for your RV. I am going to basically pin the rest of these down, and I'm going to end up sewing this on the machine.